Hi there. It's Saturday, 9 a.m. 38 hours till the Buildbox game submission is due. Yesterday I was able to get 2 hours to work on my game. In those 2 hours, I threw together a core game mechanic that I wanted to use in this game. There's still a lot of work ahead. Out of those 2 hours, I wasted 45 minutes trying to remember how to make levels in Buildbox using one world. We will definitely have to create a tutorial on how to add levels in Buildbox, so there will be a reference to go to. Now I'll try to put 2 more hours in and see what we'll be able to do. After another 2 hours, which was mostly spent on UI and adding upgrades, the upgrades that our game will have: launch power, maximum balls you have in the level, coin multiplier, and offline earnings multiplier. The formula for cost of our upgrade took some time to tweak to get to what I was looking for. Going to take a break now and spend some time with my family. After that, we'll put some more time into the game, probably try to get coin system in place so we can use coins to purchase upgrades. 4 more hours passed. Was hoping to do more with the gameplay, but spent all that time with upgrades and upgrades UI, but I really liked how it turned out. Also did a first test on Android device. There is still lots to do. In total, we have put 8 hours into the game already, and I'm done for today. Now I'm gonna go edit the video, so it'll be out for you guys tomorrow. Tell us what you think about our progress. We have 1 more day left to work on the game. Not sure how much time I will have, but we will do our best. We'll have more detail on our progress on the next video. Thanks for watching.